Welcome back to Curls and Inspiration. I'm your girl, Cody291, and if this is your first time, welcome to the family. So, today I'm going to do a hairstyle inspired by lovey Simone, or you'd know her as Zora Greenleaf. In season 5, she had a couple, actually, this girl has been rocking a lot of really nice natural hairstyles, but some of those that stood out to me was in season 5. So I'm going to be doing one of those hairstyles today, and I'm probably going to make this a series. So I'm probably going to have more of her hairstyles coming up after this video, but I'll link them up here and I'll link them down below once I do them. But this is the first lovely Simone inspired hairstyle, so let's get into the video. Okay, so the hairstyle I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to put it up on the screen. It's going to be somewhere here. And let's just get into this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a separation in the middle of my head. Well, not in the middle, but kind of to the side of the middle of my head, to make that cornrow all through the middle of my head. Once I'm done with making the separation on this side, I'm just gonna put in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna do the other separation again to the side or adjacent to or next to the middle of my head, because I want the cornrow to be in the middle of my head. Now, y'all know I can't cornrow, right? But we're gonna try today, all right? We're gonna try today. Because I practiced doing cornrow in my friend's hair, and it actually wasn't that bad. So I want to try doing it in my hair and see how good I can be. Because then that's the problem. Trying to do it in my hair is the problem. Alright, so now I have that middle part looking great. So I'm going to just spray my hair so it'll be easier to like detangle and get through. And this goes all the way to the back of my hair, as you can see. Okay, so if you do watch this show, I think it's called Greenleaf or something like that. If you do watch the show, then in season 5 where she wears this hairstyle, it looks like it might be a cornrow going all the way back, but it's not. If you look at it, it's 2 cornrows meeting each other, and then each cornrow goes to a part. So I'm just gonna part somewhere in the center of my hair. And all I'm gonna do is clip the back up so it doesn't interfere, and then I'm gonna attempt doing the front. And if y'all have been following me, y'all know I cannot cornrow. So let's try this cornrowing thing. This is not it. I'm gonna try again. This is not it. Okay, try again. I think this one looks better than all the rest that I've had. What y'all think? I think that looks better than any one that I've done, all the other two. So we're gonna keep it, okay? All right, now I'm gonna attempt to do the back and then I'll be back because I don't think I want to do this on camera.
2,000 years later.
Okay, y'all, so for the back portion of my hair, I didn't realize that because I'm a novice in cornrowing, that doing my hair going up in the other direction was not gonna work. So anyways, I got my friend Anthea to help me cornrow the back of my hair. So clearly this is a team effort. If not, just flat twist. Don't be as super ambitious as I am right now, okay? Because it's not gonna happen. But she did her first cornrow too, so it's not perfect, but we got 2 cornrows, and so we're gonna move on, okay? All right, now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up like in the photo. For this, I'm gonna use my jam. So I'm just gonna get jam all up on those roots so that they're smooth. Go to the back. Back. All right. And then I'm just gonna brush all of that down to slick down my hair. That's awesome. Yep, this is it. All right, once everything looks smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and use my scrunchie. And I kind of almost forgot. I'm gonna take the first cornrow and I'm gonna put it in with this section. All right, then I'm gonna do the same thing to the next side. All right, I have both of my hair up in a puff, and now I'm going to go ahead and like braid them, because I just want them to be smooth. I don't want to have like my hair like peeking out. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm actually just gonna use one of these scrunchies to like get my hair in place like this. Yep. And I'm gonna do the other one. Okay guys, that's how it all turned out with all the glam. Tell me what you think down below. Tell me if you think I nailed it. But thank you so much for rocking with me, and I'll see you in the next video.